Hey guys, we're going to do a quick video about density. We talked about it in the notes before, but you should kind of know what's going on. So here's our equation that we talked about in the notes, where D equals density, which we measure in grams per centimeter cubed. M is the mass, which is measured in grams, and V is volume, which is measured in centimeters cubed. Now, when you do problems like this, it's going to give you either D, M, or V, and it's going to give you two of those, and you've got to find the third one. So to solve this algebraically, say we're looking for D, then we already know that D is equal to M over V. All we take is the mass. All we do is take the mass divided by the volume, and we're good. If we want to look for M, though, we've got to get M by itself in that equation. So you could times by V on both sides, and you would get M equals D times V, and that would give you your mass. Or if we're looking for volume, then we could do that step, but then divide by D. So volume is equal to the mass divided by the density. Okay, so your three equations that you'll use is that, this, and that, based on what you're looking for. There's another way, which I don't like as much because you don't have to think as hard on it, but if you remember this thing called the density triangle, all you have to do is cover up which one you're looking for. So if you're looking for density, cover it up and you get M over V. If you're looking for M, then you get D times V. If you're looking for V, you cover it up, you get M divided by D. And then that is just a quick way to do your equations there. So when you do this, all you have to do is have your equation and plug and chug and you're good. So for example, this says I have a piece of wood that has a mass of 80 grams and a volume of 100 grams per centimeter cubed. What is its density? The first step to any kind of math problem in my class is to write down all the variables, put an equal sign next to it, and write down which ones you know. So it says the mass is 80 grams, about 80 grams there. And the volume is 100 grams per centimeters cubed. Oh wait, that would be wrong. That would be just centimeters cubed. That's my bad, sorry. Okay, so you know mass and volume according to the word problem. You don't know density. So if we either go back to our algebraic way or the triangle way, whichever way you want to do it, we would just do D equals M over V. In this case, it's 80 grams over 100 centimeters cubed. And that gets us 0.8 grams per centimeter cubed for the density. Okay, sorry that video was really sloppy, but hopefully you got something out of it. If you have any questions today while you're working on it, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck.